What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Back again for another random video. Here's the unboxing of the Dyson V6 trigger. Picked this up at Best Buy in America for 210 bucks or 289 Canadian. I'm quite stoked. They don't sell this one in Canada. So this is like the DC58 model. They had the mattress one on sale for basically the same price. So this one just comes with a little bit less attachments, but it is the V6 model. Basically what I find it to be like a short form of the long one. Oh. Hopefully it works good. I don't feel like going back to the States. So there's the attachment I'll be using. Now I went a whole charge on a lower end model. Did my vehicle on one charge. Yeah, these things are a beast, man. It's like the kingpin of all vacuums. There's your charger. As you can see, this thing is a beast. So there's regular, and then max. Turn it on. Your neighbors will hear you 10 blocks away vacuuming. And then there's one more attachment, and that is the brush. So the mattress and the pet ones just come with more attachments, Buddy said. They're a little bit more money. And then you can get the longer one to do your stairs and stuff. The pole, basically, you know, the same motor. Just a little bit longer. So there you have it, guys. The Dyson V6 trigger. Like, this thing is a beast, like I said, man. I'm not sure exactly the battery milliamps in this thing, but it weighs 2.72 pounds, and then the gross weight is 4.63 pounds with all the attachments and everything. Whoops. So the most powerful handheld vacuum, the Dyson Digital Motor V6, generates powerful suction while efficient two-tier radical cyclones increase airflow and capture more fine dust. Includes Dyson's capture engineered tools to remove dust and dirt from hard to reach places. Well, let's try it out. Let's see what I can find around my house here. Really not a whole lot of dirt in here, but effortless. Honestly, I've never used a better vacuum. I don't like to clean, you know, being a dude and stuff, but when you got OCD, it makes it fun. Like, effortlessly. Now these go for like 10 to 15 minutes on a charge. I'm sure not on max mode, but... And then when you want to empty them, you just open up the canister right there, and it opens up completely. So, yeah, it's pretty neat. So it works good on carpet. So, like, it's got good suction. It's got good suction on it. Very powerful handheld vacuum, and yeah, sorry, I wish there was more stuff. You gotta take my word for it. Is it worth the money? Abso-freaking-lutely. This vacuum is a beast for the third time. Well, let's go near the kitty box. Hold on, buddy. So it's pretty dark in here. But, you know, I'll pick up some cat litter. Wow, like nothing. Like nothing. Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random videos, as I do upload often. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.